First, let's try a quick and easy solution. Click on the notification icon located at the bottom right corner of your taskbar. This should open up the notification panel. At the very bottom of this panel, you will see the date. Click on the small arrow next to the date, and this should display your calendar within the notification area. For many users, this simple step resolves the issue. However, if the calendar still does not appear after trying this, right-click on the taskbar and select Adjust Date and Time. This will open the settings window. From there, make sure the option to show the time and date in the system tray is toggled on. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.